Hi there, students. Practically. Okay, practically is an adverb, and we use it in two different ways. Firstly, with the meaning of practical. So he likes to do practical things. He likes to act practically in a way that relates to real situations and actions rather than theoretical ideas. Yeah? So, practically speaking, not theoretically speaking. Okay? So, something that is real actions or real words. But we also use this practically to mean almost, very nearly. It's practically 12 o'clock, 11:58. This work is practically finished. To do this would cost practically nothing. It's practically impossible to pass this exam. So almost, very nearly. And I think we use practically very often in this way. There is practically no interaction between the two brothers at all. They practically never talk to each other. So almost, nearly, well nigh, N-I-G-H. Yeah? So almost completely. So practically, yeah? He had practically finished his day's work when I came to see him. We've practically finished all of the food in the fridge. Yeah, this is done practically every day, virtually every day. Our money is practically gone, almost completely gone. Yeah. So yeah, this is practically finished. Practically everybody agreed with me. Nearly everybody. The town was practically deserted. There's been practically no rain. Yeah? Yeah? You have drunk practically nothing. Wolf, it was so hard it practically killed me. Okay, so practically, almost. And then the other meaning, sensibly, in a sensible way. We need to act practically. We need to find a practical solution. So practically, in practice, in effect, not the official version, but what actually occurs, not the theory, but the fact. And then practically, almost completely, almost entirely. He was practically unable to write his name. Yeah? Practically nobody came to the party. So, your next question, how formal is this use of practically? I would give this a 5 in formality. You can use it practically anywhere. Well, I would say you could use it anywhere. Formally, informally, everywhere. And the other meaning as well, to be practical, to act practically, is also a 5 in formality. And as to origin, well, yeah, it comes from the word practical. Yeah, you need to be practical, which comes from, I guess, from practic, yeah, which comes from ancient Greek itself, praktikos, belonging to an action, concerned with action or business, practical. And that then later went to Latin, practicus, active. Okay, so practically. Yeah, so this video is practically finished. I hope the examples are examples you can use practically in practice. So it's a good word to use. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Practically.